Yeah, good morning, team. Good morning, team. Hope you guys are fine. It's another day. Today it is Monday. So today this is gonna be our quote for both lunchtime and tea time. So I heard that it's Christy and this other girl. So let's start our prediction. So what I'm going to do today, guys, is something that we normally used before, and then we got penalized from UK Fortnite because of the presenter date change and stuff. So what I'm going to do here, I don't want to talk so much, I just want to stick to business. We're going to start with the first chord. Okay, so from the first chord we have 7 2 2 1. Please watch carefully when I'm breaking these chords, so that when you are playing your numbers, you know exactly what you're doing, because we don't need failure. We just need to boom today, by fire by force. So we're going to do this. Let us maybe say this is chord A, so that we don't get confused. These chords, they work both lunch and tea time. And as you can see, there's a chord that already worked yesterday but is not yet exhausted, because there are some numbers that were skipped from that chord, and those numbers are supposed to drop today, definitely. Okay, so what we do here, as you can see, I'm just gonna pick 27. There's 22. There's 21, which is what, a 12. And then because it's a person like Christy, there's also a 17. Sorry, there's a 17. So I think I've already broken the code in that way. So when you're done, what you do, you have to add 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. You're gonna get a 12. So definitely there's another high chance of a 12 to drop. But I was thinking, like, because Christy is very, very clever and smart, she's not going to bring that 12. Maybe she's going to do this, because a 21 came yesterday, so she knows that definitely people will be thinking, like, I'm going to hit the 12. She can take this 12, for example, and divide it by 2 to get a 6 or a 9. So it can be a 6 or 9, you understand, instead of the 12, because we are waiting maybe for the 12 and something like that. Then she might as well change and decide to give us a 6 from that 12. But the first chord is quite clear and straightforward. So if though maybe she has to split, because that one is the queen of splitting, 7 2 2 1. Remember, guys, this thing I always say to you, spin and split. You know, with this, trust me, if you follow exactly what I say, I'm not the master of this thing, but I'm saying if you guys can spin and split, you will boom UK Fortnite. Because as you can see that chord, I did split the chord. I mean, like, I did spin the chord now. Then now I'm about to do what? To split the chord, which is when you split the chord, you can say 7 22 1 or 7 2 1. She does that. She'll put these numbers in the middle, like in a draw order, and you won't even notice that it was a split. But when you turn them over to the numeric order, you'll see that, oh, this was a split. You understand? So we need to be clear whenever we play our numbers. Let's make sure that we on point. Okay, so let us move on to the second chord. Let's call it chord B. It's 4 2 9 7. This chord, as you can see, it's got a 42, which is a 24. They do repeat numbers, don't worry about that. There is a what, a 49, which is a 46. There's a 27 that we've already spoke about, so which means 27 is a banker today. And then we do have a 29 there. If you check properly, there's a 29, which is also a 26. Then we also have a 47. These guys these days, they repeat numbers like nobody's business. And then when you are done, what you do is you take the same code, like 4 2 9 7. You're going to add up everything, like 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7. So what you do now, you're going to get a 22. So you know this number 22 today is a very, very, very good number that you can. When I'm done, I'm going to do what I did yesterday. You saw yesterday, guys, we had numbers for lunch numbers for T. So my own recommendation that I have for you guys, just pick up one banker. When you have the banker, take everything that you see there. It's not even more than 12 lines, because I'm going to post maybe 12 singles, of which is for both draws. So what you do, just pick a bank and then you bank 1 to whatever amount you can afford. Okay, so we're done with that. We're gonna move on to, so these numbers that I do put on the sides, make sure that you put them on the bonus sections, because normally bonuses, they fall under called numbers. Okay, so let us go to this third code, which is 4 2 6 3. So as you can see, these codes are similar, but they need yourself to understand them properly, for which now the 42 is visible all over the place, which is a 24, and which is, when you split, it's going to be a 2 and a 4. If you want to attack Christ, you have to spin and split. If you don't do that, you'll crash, you trust me. Then there's 26 in the middle, 26, which is a 29, I can say 29. And then if you go there, there's a 23rd. 23rd came as a 32 yesterday, a 23 I mean. And then when you check there, when you spin this number around, you're gonna get a 36. 36. If you come again there, you're gonna get what? A 34. Because you know yesterday 43 came. So we don't have that personality of like 43 came, it doesn't repeat. It does repeat. It does repeat. Then when we are done, this is what you're going to do. You go back to the same code. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. You're gonna get a 15. So 15, either way, if it drops in a way of 5 or 15. So this family of 5 is attacking, because the 35, I see it as a bonus today, as a bonus ball. So be creative, guys, and get yourself a 4 number straight from these numbers. I'm 100% sure that there is a 4 number on these numbers, but what you need to know, you just need to be creative in the pairing and the splitting your numbers and spinning. UK49 is no longer like before, where we used to just play 4, 14, 49. No, not now. Now they've also advanced their technology in a such a way that, you know, technology is technology, so we also have to upgrade on that. Okay, so let's go to the last code, which is almost the last one, which is 2958. So if you see a code like this, I do recommend you to spin first, because when you spin, we're going to get a 26 as a whole number, and then when you say it's a 25, so a 25 did come yesterday. What you do, you add or subtract 10, which when you add 10, you're going to get a 35. When you subtract, you're going to get a 15. So do you see now, when I say the female of 5 is a killer, of which 35 and 15, one of those must drop, maybe in the bonus section. And then if you go around there, you're going to find that there's an 8 at the back. So now this is what they do normally, because the 28 did drop. I don't know which day 28 did drop. She's going to say divided by 2, she gets a 14. A 14, which is a what? A 41. We're done with that code. And then after that, what you must do, you must add up everything. So if you do this, 2 plus 9 plus 5 plus 8, you're going to get a 24. A 24, which is a 42. And then if though, because 24 came, we just have to crush by dividing it by 2 to get a 12. You know, here you have to divide actually by 4 to get the 6. Because if you divide it by 2, it gives you the 12. If it gives you it gives you the 12. So I do recommend you guys just to divide it by 4. Yeah, okay, cool. So let me do the symbols that you guys have to play. It is very important for me to go along with you with the cracking of the code, because at the end of the day, some people, they spot numbers here, then they play, then they boom. So I'll start with the 27, I go with the 17, I go with the 22, I go with the 12, and then I also go with the did I put the 17? Yes, I did put the 17. So look, you can even take these numbers and make them pairs or whatever you want to make. We go to 42, 24, we go to 29, 26, we go to 47 and 49. We say 32, 22. We say, because the 22 is a problem, trust me, today you're gonna see fire. Then we have a 35, we have a 15. We go down there, I'll get a 29. So guys, if I skipped everything, please, if I skipped, I mean like anything, just make sure that you spot it. And then I'm gonna give you a bonus, which is 38. Bonus should be 38. Then if bonus is 38, we'll be sorted. Yeah, so this is what it is for today, guys. I think we are done with UK 49, both lunch and tea time. I don't know if I had forgotten something. So maybe there's 31 there. You know the bonuses, they always come as tricky numbers, so you just have to be careful with that. So bonus can be 5, 38 and 31. What else did I want to mention there? So the banker is 27 and 22, and then also put a 19, I mean like a 9 guys, a 9 on the bonus section. A 9, yes. No, I think we are done now. So yeah guys, keep on subscribing, supporting this channel, and for those of you who still need to get them books, you are welcome to do so. I'm always leaving the link at the bottom of the first comment of the video. Yeah, it is called today, so please stay home and make sure that you play your numbers. It might be your day today to boom. So thank you very much.